Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Franklin, and as usual, it's either I take you a tip or I tip you a tech, whatever it is. Welcome to the Tech Tips. Alright, so today I'm just going to give you a little gist on how best we can be able to keep our phones clean of storage full. A lot of guys keep on asking me how they can be able to actually free some space on their phone. Always their phone says storage full, but they have nothing on their phone. But indeed they do really have some stuff on their phone. So right here we are going to check out on both Android and iPhone how we can be able to clean them or keep them clean from storage full. Alright, so with that, let's see how we can get started. Starting with Android. Okay, the first thing you need to always know is that Android have a lot of apps and that use space, but indirectly we don't know. And some Android phones you won't be able to delete the bloatwares, and bloatwares are just apps that come with the phone. Yeah, some you can delete, some you can't delete them. So they all come or they are all part of the system. Alright, so probably your system will be taking a larger space of your storage. To start cleaning up your phones when you're using an Android, but this phone is actually Techno Wi-Fi, okay, or Wi-Fi. I think it's Wi-Fi. All right, so you head towards settings if you really want to clean your storage. Okay, there are several ways, but let's keep on with this one first. Then you search storage on your phone. All right, now this is really going to give you two storage. You have the RAM and then we have the internal shared storage, but actually we are looking for the internal shared storage. All right, so just click on the internal. Over here there's a kind of like a list of spaces like photos and videos. They've taken some number of space. You have music, you have games, you have movies, and blah blah blah. All right, so right now we are just focusing on how you be able to clean the spaces. There are some unwanted styles you have, but you don't know that they are still hiding. To your best of knowledge, you have actually deleted them. All right, but here you are going to kick it out. So if you are really looking to delete something like pictures that you don't really need on your phones, all right, just head towards your photos and videos, and over there over here I have images having about 6.29 gig. So I just click on that, choose just once. So one thing I would like you guys to know is that on our cloud-based app, for instance of Google Drive and the rest, whatever you input in there or you synchronize your Gmail with it, anytime you have an app on anytime you have an image on your phone, automatically it will be synchronized into the Google Drive, and the drive also takes space. Okay, as long as you take in a lot of pictures or videos onto your phone and it synchronizes, it goes straight into your drive, and your drive also takes space on your phone. All right, so basically if you have 5 gig drive and you have about 2 gig stuff on it, those 2 gig things are going to also occupy space on your phone, not only on your drive app. All right, so over here you will see a list of apps or videos that you really don't need, or photos you don't really need. The best thing for you to do is to just clean them out of the phone. All right, so that's another way. And then let's go to a different space over here. So we have files, which is 1.60 gig. Seriously, it's 1.60 gig. You click, just go to once. Your phone actually depends. All right, it's phone dependent. If you are using an iPhone, which will be getting back to, or if you are using a different phone, say Huawei, your storage styles may be different. Your AI differences may be there, right? So over here I'm just doing what I can see on my Android Techno Wi-Fi or something like that. Okay, so you just go through that processes as you did earlier on, then you delete the stuff you don't really need on your phone. All right, and then another way is also for us to delete some apps that we already have on our phone. We don't really need them. Okay, just delete them. Sometimes too, we actually accept files or apps from third-party apps, or we share them through a third-party apps like xender and the rest. Indirectly, as far as we accepted it from them, we install it on our phone. But later when we uninstall, because we shared it through a third-party app, the third-party app still have those files in the system. So as far as you delete the app on your phone, go to the third-party app, which is xender, and also delete it there. Okay, because it's storing it for future use. So we just go to xender and then delete it. That I'm not really doing a screen record of how that really works though. But just go to xender and delete the file whilst you are deleting it on your phone, or you are uninstalling it on your phone, whether it's an app or it's a file or whatever it is. Okay, so that's also another tip. And go to WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp is also another way where you can also try to free up your space. So with that, you just head towards your WhatsApp and then go to settings. And in your settings, you go to storage and data, and then manage your storage. Over here, you'll be able to see groups, or you'll be able to see chats that you have with your friends, that you share some files with them. Such files may be large and unwanted. Maybe you don't need them to be on the WhatsApp chat anymore. The best thing for you to do is to just go through the process as you can see on your screen, and then you just look through the files you don't need. So if it's the MedLab group here, I'll just select that, or just use the select toolbar, the select tool here, select the files I want to select, and then boom, I've deleted all those files. So that's another way by which you can also delete the file. And then as simple as this, you clear things that you don't need. Okay, just go to your file system, or file manager, or whatever how you can be able to get access to your internal memory, and then look for the things. Sometimes basically what I do is that I go through all the folders one by one, because every app on my phone or every app on an Android phone actually keeps a folder on the storage. So if you are using the same as Word Bible, just go to my Word Bible. If there are some files you don't need, just have to delete them. If you're using the phone record, the same thing that happens. If you're using pictures, the same thing that happens. So personally, I go through them one by one and then delete them, or delete the stuff I don't need. And with that, I can be able to free some space on my Android phone. Alright, in case you know any other way by which you can also delete stuff from your Android phone, you can just keep that, or you can just type in that in the comment sections, and then we'll get interactive over there. Alright, and if you are enjoying this video, a sub to this channel will be so miraculous. Alright, okay, so now for my dear iPhone users, I have been using iPhone for some number of time now, so I'm really good about, or know much about how you can be able to keep some spaces, because I use iPhone 5, iPhone 12, sorry, wow, iPhone 12, that would be so great to use iPhone 12. I mean, I use iPhone 6s, and then also use any other type of iPhone except the latest ones that are in the system. So to be able to clear your spaces, especially those who are using the 12 gig iPhone 5, iPhone 6s, and those stuff, okay, for you to be able to clear your spaces, for you to get some apps that are big. We all know that iPhone has one of the biggest apps in the App Store, right? So the best thing is for you to be with bloatware. So there are some bloatwares that we don't really need, and luckily iPhone actually gives that room where you can be able to just delete them. So the best thing for you to do is just long press the app, and then remove app. Over there, you just have to delete it. Alright, so we have a lot of bloatware that come to the system. You can just delete them. But how do we do it if you want to be able to get access to some specific files that are on our phone? Alright, so you go to settings, that's the first thing, and then scroll down to general. And our general, we have about software updates and the rest, but we don't really need that. we move straight to iPhone storage. Okay, and on this iPhone storage you have apps that are occupying the most part of my phone. Then we have photos, which is next. The system takes on the iCloud, as I told you about. The cloud-based apps also take space on our phone. Okay, then we have others. All right, and then I still have some about 66 space still left on my phone. All right, then one thing I want you to know is that on iPhone, if you don't want to actually back up your photos into your iCloud, you can just come to the same procedure. You can just do the same procedure to just turn off your photos that are being, or iCloud photos. Over here you can see there that it's actually turned off long time ago. I actually put that off because I don't want to use up my iCloud photos. I use it for my files. All right, and then getting straight to the apps itself, you just move to, for example, you go to the photos and then delete or enable if you want to share our files with, or personally our photos with iCloud. All right, but if not that, let's say Telegram was occupied 7.98 gig space on my phone. So just go to Telegram, and over here there's something which I need to do. Is either I delete the app or I upload the app. Upload means that there are some things I've downloaded but they are still in the cloud system of Telegram. So I just click on the upload. I'm not doing that right now though, but if you just click on the upload, it's going to actually only maintain the app for you as if it's a new app that you have downloaded. So we can see it here. It said offloading Telegram will delete the app, but it keeps this document. You understand? So basically that's how it is. You come to YouTube, you come to the apps I generally use on my phone. Okay, so that's how you can be able to offload or delete some apps on your iPhone to keep some space. But one thing I keep on doing, as I shown on the Android system, is about my WhatsApp. Okay, I don't really keep stuff on my WhatsApp, like chats and in large files like videos and the rest. So I just go straight to my WhatsApp, as I did. Go straight to settings, go to storage and data on iPhone, and then manage storage. And over here WhatsApp is taking almost the second part of my biggest part of the biggest part of my WhatsApp storage. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to just look for the chat you had with the person, or you're looking for a group chat where you think, oh, in this particular group I don't really like the stuff they do out there, or there are some files there that they are using that you don't really like. Okay, so you just have to click on that file, then on that group chat, then you go to the select at the top over there, and select, you click on the ones you want to delete, and then boom, you delete. You can also actually select all and then delete everything there. All right, so basically that's how simple it is. And also, if you also have any idea of how you can be able to delete stuff that we don't want on our phone but they are hidden, all right, you can also leave it in the comment section, and we also try to get interactive with you. All right, so if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget, you can give us a sub, give us a like, share with your friends, those who complain a lot, it's full, this is blah blah blah, my storage is full. All right, share with your friends as well, share the link. And oh yeah, thank you guys for the 300 subs, and let's keep on going much than that. And I will out with some merch here, that's tech tips. If you are interested, you can just leave it in the comment section there, and then we can link up. All right, so to meet again in the next video, say adios. All right, thank you guys.